pulling the lug nuts off.
Already loosened them up.
Oh, good.
Just waiting for you to say, why are they loose?
Nah.
Oh, my wheel's bent. Nice. Here.
Does have a flat spot. Bent. Oh, got a chunk.
Yeah, I mean, shit gets a little wild. Whoops. It's a lot harder when you try not to.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we should have showed him the axle. Show him what the axle do.
So the axle's broke on the inside, on the CV side of it. So we're going to change it with a new one, and we'll show you the process here.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
There it is.
Whoa, big rusty. See, notice how this is turning and the axle is not.
Yeah.
It was an accident.
We had a small shop fire. Turn it so you can see. The axle shaft is not spinning, but the hub is.
Now it's bound up. There we go.
Give me a lighter. What did you guys burn?
There was a rag on fire.
Was it working when you moved my van?
I don't.
No, it was at like 1/8 of a tank. Should probably loosen it. I'll start with this side.
That's tightening.
Yep. Now I need a 15mm end wrench.
Mary, don't walk out.
She's cute enough that it's. Oh.
Don't lose my lug nuts.
Oh, she won't. She'll stick them through your wheel.
Oh, it's over there.
Into your brake. Oh, thank you, baby.
So what he's doing is he's pulling the bolts out of the knuckle to hold the. I don't know what those are called.
Excuse
Trailing
me?
arms?
Babe,
Yeah, what this? I think this is a radius rod that goes.
What?
Yeah.
Move, mommy.
Oh.
She's saying
Anyways, I
move.
think
Move.
this is
Trying to
a
pull me out of the chair.
radius rod that goes from here and locates the trailing arm.
Watch her.
Gotta get that loose so we can slide the axle shaft out of the knuckle.
Hold the head down.
Careful.
Now once those are off, you should get enough movement out of the trailing arm to pull the trailing arm over and get the axle out of the hole so you can pull it out. That's just my guess because I've never had an axle brake like this that's still in one piece. Usually I end up with one end or the other. Nice of her.
She's just thinking about you.
Yeah, because she knows I lose it. Even though she's only one.
Hopefully, we can get this nut loose. Oh yeah. Easy. Is that it? Watch your fingers. Got it loose from there, now we gotta pop it. Oh, good.
Boom, one broken axle. Actually, since you guys are on here, we'll show you. I'll cut that boot open. We can see how broke it really is.
Live action.
Oh, I can see chunks and...
How to dull your pocket knife.
There it is.
Oh,
broke
yeah.
as shit. I mean... So yeah, it's definitely broke.
So these have a cage around them. They have that, and then the balls go around that, and there's a cage that holds them all in there, and both sides are recessed so they can't come out without, well, anyways, with that cage on there, it won't let them come out, but this cage split in half, and it allowed it to, well, it over-traveled or something and broke that cage in half, so everything could come apart. Adam had to go get a grease removal device. Gonna have to clean his knife so he can open the box.
Yeah, it's got a little messy. Okay, we'll get the new one opened up here. Get her stabbed in there. Should have used the old zip tie and bias supply method and used me a hot saw. Just cut the ends of it off. Tell you what, if you're bored and you want to watch something pretty funny, you should go over and check out his channel. He's pretty funny. Okay, so here's my new $80 axle. Oh yeah, okay, nuts on the end of it. Oh, Cosmoline everywhere. Don't want that thing to rust. And notice, this axle is solid. Doesn't flop around. Can't pull it apart.
No clicking, no clunking.
Yep, everything's in good order. Well, that's too bad. They didn't give me a new... Unless it's in that bag that's blowing away. They didn't give
No,
me
Ari,
a
no, no, no.
pin.
Nope.
No, no!
Harry.
Stop. Stop. Leave him alone. Go.
Uh-oh. Come here.
She ran off of all that stuff. There's an extra washer somewhere. So,
Oh, cool. It's the greasy one.
I don't think it matters which one, but I have to have two. Okay, so you just take the axle, line your splines up, give her the old shove in, and then you just grab a hold of the trailing arm, you pull it out as far as you can. And then it just slips back together. Fairly simple, fairly easy. Pretty painless. Then you make sure you put both of your washers back on, because if you only use one, you'll end up pulling the axle out of the rear end. I learned that the hard way. Hopefully the nuts are the same size, which they're not. Not even close. So that's probably an inch and an eighth or inch and a quarter.
Inch and 3/16. Probably millimeter because it ain't American.
Right. But we don't
Definitely a Chinese axle. Best eBay sells. We buy a lot of stuff from eBay. We're definitely balling on a budget.
Oh, inch and a quarter.
Oh, nice.
And then just take your impact and run it in until you run out of air. And then you just put all your junk back together. I need to get breaker bar. Don't eat the wrench. Gross. I don't even know where it's been.
Are you helping?
No, I need that. No, I don't. You can have that one. I need that. Thank you.
Good
What
job.
a help. So then, you tighten this nut up until you can get the cotter pin back in there to hold the castle nut on so it don't spin. There we go. I think that'll do it. Then you just, not that one, bigger one than that. That's way too long, but it'll work. You just slide your cotter pin in there.
After you tear your thumb skin off.
Yeah, you didn't need that. That's extra. You just bend those over.
Thumb skins for chumps.
Now, that can't come loose. And then you just basically do everything in reverse. Just put it all back together. And you got a brand new axle installed. Took all of maybe 25 minutes. I will level with you. The first time I did this, took me like an hour. Because I had to hunt around and find the tools and remember what size everything was and figure out what size everything was. But now that I've done it like, oh, I don't know, 9 times, I got her down pretty good. But I'm hoping that this video helps somebody that's got one that's not sure how to do it, or is scared to try, or tries to listen to the owner's manual, because it'll tell you to pull the shock out and everything. And I can tell you this, don't pull the shock out. You will hate yourself for that, because it is not fun, nor is it very easy.
Trying to outrun the rain the whole time, off in the distance. We can see it raining in between us and the sunshine, so trying to outrun the rain here.
I think we're gonna win.
I think so too. Ari really wants to help today. She's just getting her chair all up in it, moving around all the bolts.
I really need to pull these trailing arms off and have them powder coated. Although paint's just gonna fly off of them anyway.
Yeah. Hey Jay, what are you doing?
Make sure all of your stuff is tight. Otherwise you're gonna have a bad day. And if you see now, it's all locked up, don't turn anymore, which is what you want. Then, you just take your flat paddle, stick it back on. But now, I've turned it, so we're gonna have to jack it up.
There, Jay. You're gonna have to get your head out from underneath the floor jack. Ari, look out. Ari, hey.
Right there.
Okay.
And then just put your old Kaluggy nuts back on. Make sure you torque them down to the right torque specifications, and by torque specifications I mean tight.
All the way tight.
Yeah, I don't know what torque spec is, nor do I know that there actually is one.
Now wait a second. We got tight, then we got too tight.
Yeah,
Too tight's
Don't
broke.
retard strong it.
Yeah.
Just tight.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's just helping.
She's in it. She is
She
all the
just
way in it
tipped
today.
it over. Got some ball bearing grease.
Stained for life.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Her poor little skin. It
Her
didn't know
mom-
what to do with
Her
that
mom is gonna be mad.
bearing grease. Yeah, she's gonna have black fingers forever.
Then my form of tight is when you start flexing your 7 foot long extension. It's probably tight.
That is a quality extension. That is a proto extension with a $8 Chinese ratchet on the end of it.
So, I mean,
Oh, she's
Tight,
just
tight.
picking up all the stuff.
perfect. And that's it, guys. That's how you get that done. There will be more to it, I am sure, because I like to break stuff. So, just stay tuned. A lot of things will be broken, probably by the end of this weekend. And I will take some video while I'm over there, and you can see it broken. We'll see you guys later. Have fun.